What's up, Riders Nation? Today I got a really quick, really easy, really cool install with a little bit of an interesting story. We're gonna install handguards on the Tigris, the 2020 Streetglide Special. So let's cue the intro and get to it. The Riders Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. Welcome back, everybody. Got a cool little story with a cool little product. So about a month ago, I received an email. It was the first email offering me, I guess, loosely speaking, offering me a sponsorship from this Amazon company called Benlari. Kind of sat on it for a few weeks, didn't know what I was going to do, didn't know much about the company. It is an Amazon company. I did a little homework on the company, couldn't find out a lot about it. But I checked out their products. There wasn't many products that I didn't already have on one of the bikes, but I did find handguards. I was looking for handguards for the 2020 Streetglide Special. I sent the company, Benlari, an email back, told them that I might be interested, and well, I've never done this before. I don't know anything about sponsorships or anything else when it comes to a YouTube channel. They just sent me an email back, asked for my information and asked me what product I wanted. I told them, and 3 days later the product came in. We're gonna unbox it and install it. Should be a really quick, easy install. So I have to admit, it always makes me laugh. Everybody does these, I don't know what you'd call them, product unveils, whatever you might think they are. So we'll do it. So these are the handguards. I'm gonna put an affiliate link down in the description if you guys are interested in buying them. They're roughly $25. They are powder coated metal. You know, for what the product is, it looks like a pretty good product to me, but I guess only time will tell. So like I said, super easy install. Just gotta loosen the nut on the mirror. When you loosen the nut on the mirror, try not to lose the washer. If you do, you gotta find it. Hit it with a little bit of Loctite. I'm gonna wait till we install both of these to tighten them up, because I'm going to adjust my mirrors so they're in the right spot, and also so I can adjust the hand guards. So that's it. The left side is essentially 95% installed. So we got them installed loosely. And, now we're going to check them for how they should fit. So I think I pretty much got them set where I want them. So now all we got to do is tighten down the bolts, and we will be done. I guess the trick to tighten down the bolts without anything moving, that's the trick. So here's what they look like installed on the bike. I think they look good. Now it's just a matter of how good of a product are they and how long will they hold up. Quick, simple, easy install, no problem whatsoever. If you like this video, or like I've said before, even if you don't like this video, check out the videos that I'm going to put up over here. You might like them better. And until next time, Riders Nation, stay safe and live the dream.